For those who join us for the first time, my name is Nick Betty, Nickel Betty to be exact. I'm the owner of HPS, which is a heat pump and electrical company, Cape Cod, Massachusetts. I'm a master electrician, and this morning we had a bunch of deliveries, over 7 pallets. So we just got done organizing those pallets, and we have some more to come this afternoon. So like up the live, guys, like up the live. Young entrepreneur out here doing it.